that way.
Ow! All that time I weren't doing it.
Put your feet up. Put your feet up.
Doing that.
You do like that.
Relax your knees. Right now, just do that, but with your back.
Right, okay. It's Nick, she's got a...
No, that's a arse, not a back. That's better.
It's Nick, she's got a...
You got to relax, Nick.
You're supposed to believe in me.
But yeah, good, is he?
No, come on, give me your hands.
Just relax and trust him. Cool your veins.